Just wanted to do a quick video. It's everybody covers the United Cutlery pieces here, but they never cover the unlicensed knockoffs. Now I can understand why, because who wants to have these in their collection when they could have the UC pieces? Well, to be fair, some of them are nice. Now these are not the greatest examples. Now this one, again, this is the United Cutlery Anduril, and the scabbard, which unfortunately you can notice the scabbard has kind of a bow to it. That does affect the blade when I display it, but if I display them each on their own, then there's no issue. But about this, probably gonna make a lot of noise. Kids are trying to sleep. This knockoff narsil, broken narsil, which it's actually surprisingly pretty good. It's not perfect, a little thin, but the price was right. And, I have it in my collection. Obviously, I don't display it on the table, but it's here for now. I'm actually going to move it just a bit. So I can slide this guy over. We can kind of get a feel for how the knockoff. So to be fair, I bought that one first, and then this one. This one was on Amazon, about $100. Comes with a scabbard, but you'll notice the scabbard is not accurate or as ornate as the United Cutlery one. So here's the deal, the fittings look pretty nice. The leather on the handle looks pretty nice. But then when you get down here, and actually it's got engraving on the blade, which it's not as deep, but it's certainly there. And then we're missing like the last 7 inches of the blade. So that's really where this one falls short. But it's a nice replica. It's, well, replica. Just, it is missing quite a bit. So if you wanted something to display, you could buy this one from Amazon or wherever and have it on display. I would recommend getting the United Cutlery because this one felt lacking. I could see in my display room that it was not on par with the other. And like I said, with the shard of narsil here, I don't mind it being a knockoff because look, it is what it is. It's a shard, so that's fine. But for the actual sword, I guess in my head, I kind of pretend that this is narsil, that's Anduril. I know they're theoretically supposed to be the same length, but I can justify having both that way. So anyway, like I said, I know nobody covers the knockoffs. I've actually got a couple more I'm going to cover later on, but this will kind of give you a feel for how they can be halfway decent. This is not bad, just not long enough. It's missing something like 7 inches down here. But as a display piece, it is very nice. And that's that for that one.